Hey guys, it's Kim, and today I'm going to be taking you along with me as I clean out this pantry. I had a big grocery haul, as I'm sure many of us have been recently, and I couldn't fit everything in, and I knew that most of the things on this shelf just needed to be reorganized or thrown out. This entire bottom area is just piled on top of each other with things, so I can't even really reach anything in the back that I need to, so it's just not functioning at all. So I'm going to start by pulling things off the shelves kind of by category. Over here we have all of our cereals and granolas and oatmeals, and then we have our snack bars and pouches here, and my nuts and raisins and things like that. And then back here are the dried goods. We have lentils and rice and polenta, and then we have our noodles, and then this section is all of our snacks. It looks like a lot, but most of the bags are half gone. So this is all of the things that have gluten in them. We are going gluten-free, so I'm trying to take everything out that has gluten. This is what the shelves look like without all of those dried good types of things. And now I will move on to the next section. So I have our baking stuff here at the top. It's, again, all piled on top of each other. We have drinks and treats over here, and then just more miscellaneous things. And here are our canned goods and vitamins, and then this. All right, so I separated the cans over here, and then on the table over here I have all of our vitamins and drinks and treats down there, and then baking goods all separated out. And I like to do it this way so that when I put everything back on the shelves, it's already all put into like their categories, so I can make sure I put it onto the shelf in a place that makes sense. So these are the shelves. They need a good wiping down. They're really dirty. It's hard to see on the camera, but they definitely need wiping down. So now I just have to tackle this lower area. Okay, so I'm just going to pan over everything that was in the shelves and show you what it looks like to have everything pulled out of the pantry. And it's kind of crazy to see how much food and items that I have in this small pantry, but it really works for my family if I can keep it organized. So this is the final product once I put everything back on the shelves. It is still full, and it isn't like fancy looking like a lot of pantry transformations you see online, but it is super functional because everything has a place and it's organized in a way that makes sense. So far it has been staying organized. Before I show you the side-by-side before and after, I just want to quickly ask you guys to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and please consider hitting that subscribe button. It helps my channel a lot, and it lets me know that you guys are looking for more content from me. All right, so let's see this before and after. So here is a before and after shot. It looks way better in person. It seems pretty similar here in this before and after picture, but I promise you it is significantly more organized and clean than this looks.